Today's video is going to be an after Christmas Day clean with me as I focus on the kids' bedrooms and getting all of their toys up into their rooms. This video was recorded the day after Christmas. Our Christmas Day usually goes like this. We wake up early with the kids, open presents, and although wrapping paper gets cleaned up immediately, new toys and whatever box they came out of are usually left all over the house for a few reasons. One, the kids are jumping from toy to toy, assembling them and figuring them out. And two, I don't really have the time and energy to clean them up right away and want my kids to spend the day playing while they are home, because after Christmas breakfast, we head over to my in-laws' house for the rest of the day and we don't get back home till late. So the day after Christmas is the day that I clean up. I don't enlist the help of my kids too much. I'd rather them be out of the way. They take care of the majority of things, but today I really needed to get into the rooms and declutter and get rid of things without them really noticing. That way I could make room for their new toys. For example, I'm removing this TV from my son's room because he never uses it. He's always in the game room when he plays his video games. And instead, we are putting out his new Mario Legos on the counter, and I figured this is the perfect place for him to build them and leave them there in a safe place where they can be played with. So this is a really cool set. I don't know if you guys have ever seen it, but it's a great way. It's a great toy for kids, especially if your kid loves video games. It's kind of like they're in the video game, but they're building it and they're actually not using screen time. And what I found amazing was that the instructions were on the app instead of on the papers like they used to be.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall.
So this is our game room. I'm just moving my son's toys out of it and into his room. I figured that while I clean, I'd have him set up those Legos, so he's helping me out, but he's also taking a break from having any types of screen time. So I did spend a lot of time in his room getting rid of toys that I know he doesn't play with anymore and just reorganizing things so he knows where to find them, reorganizing his entire closet. I found some winter clothes I forgot that I'd put away. This is his stuffed animal zoo, just putting things away in there. I just didn't show you guys everything because, like I said, I was in here for a long time. So as I finished up his room, I show you a little span of the room, but you'll see in his bottom bunk his mattress is missing because it's on the floor in my room since Christmas night. We all sleep together in the same room Christmas Eve. Now here's my little princess's room and her tornado. This room is hard to keep clean because I watch two other girls and they play up here all day. However, this week it's solely her fault because they weren't even here all week. So I have to clean all of this up. She started out helping me and then it was just easier for her to go play elsewhere. And I was able to get rid of some things that I knew that she didn't use anymore as well. And I also reorganized every single one of her toy drawers and bins into different categories. I don't know why I waste time doing this because it only lasts for like a week and then everything gets mixed up anyway, but that's what we were doing here. So I threw away all the rest of the garbage for our game room. This room, we had a lot of plans for this room. When we first moved here, we just really haven't had a chance to do everything. It's going to cost a lot of time and a lot of money to get it done, and we just are not ready to do that right now. So I decided that it's going to be a playroom for my kids since they're in here all the time anyway. They have all of their video game systems in here, so my husband and son spend a lot of time in here. We have that dartboard in the back, but I'm also going to move in some toy shelves for my little ones, and then in the empty wall that you will see her giant dollhouse. I don't know if you've noticed it in my other videos, that's downstairs. It's going to come up into this room as well.
Nothing can break me. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down.
As you can see, it's now nighttime. I've been at it all day and I am exhausted. I'm gonna pick up a few little things on the floor, but I'm not putting them where they belong. I think the longest part was just reorganizing the kids' rooms in order to fit everything. I didn't mean to do that. And I redid the game room as well. Plus I spent some time with my husband talking about a business venture, and I spent a little bit of time with my kids. So I'm really tired and I still have to cook dinner. So we are gonna wrap this video up here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.